Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable Windows PowerShell in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, type Control Panel, open Control Panel, select View by category, then click on Uninstall a program. Now here click on Turn Windows features on or off. Now guys, in this list you have to find out Windows PowerShell. Here guys you will see option Windows PowerShell. Click on this plus icon and uncheck this both box. Uncheck this both option, then click on OK. So this way guys you can disable and turn off Windows PowerShell in Windows 11. Once you complete, close and restart. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.